Sam's gone to extreme limits with that blender. Oh my goodness. What's he even doing? Cooking. That's what chefs do, Frank. Are you dumb? Of course I'm not dumb, but yeah, we should take a check at the weather. Best recommendation. You look out the window. You haven't put up any emergency lights yet. I'm waiting for you to do that. Get the best ones up, though. Will do. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of snow on the ground. It's still falling through the air. Oh, I can't believe this is going to turn into a blizzard in like an hour. Well, a blizzard would have to be for 3 hours straight. So, basically, if it would happen in 1 hour, which would be exactly 1 p.m., well, just about 1 p.m., then it would have to last until at least 4. No, it's actually going to, it's actually going to go through the entire night. It's going to stop tomorrow, though. I hope it does. Otherwise, we're screwed. Now, Mario, it's time for you to start setting up all the emergency lights. I'll wait in here until you're done. Frank, that's lazy. You should do something worthy, and at least keep checking on the weather. Alright. I'll just keep looking and watching TV. Over here is our snowfall forecast. We're in this area right here. 12 to 16 inches. I hope that's really not true. Emergency lights. Ah, yes. Got some. Is this good enough? It's probably not gonna work. You need something brighter. Also, you're gonna need some more. Oh, these would be pretty bright. Well, get some more, Mario. We need them all over the house. Where the heck are they? Alright. Frank, this isn't fair. I don't even know where the heck they are. Well, just go find them. I mean, it's okay if you take at least like 10 minutes to look for them. The snow is only beginning to get hard. The storm is only starting to develop. There's not really that much wind yet, so we should be fine for now. Well, I hope so. I'll keep looking. This is blank. Who's gonna need this? That's a completely blank piece of paper. Nobody needs. I gotta get this off. Paper. This is heavy. Dang it, we can do some teamwork looking. I have no idea where they are. How do you expect me to find emergency lights in this mess? I don't know. I don't think they're even in here. I think they might be stored somewhere else. How do you expect me to find the emergency lights? They're probably scattered everywhere. Well, you can say that about these. But, well, I think the best bet is probably just to, look where they normally be stored. Rather than just trying to, go everywhere. Just predict where they are, they'll find them, maybe you got a chance. Oh, got it. Oh. Charging mobile devices includes charging my phone as well. Well, I charge it. Yeah. Oh. There we are. Phone's charging. Now I can just go find the emergency lights. This should be really simple. Max got his, and they haven't come down since they were set up for Hurricane Hermine. You remember that one, right? Probably stored in the kids' room. Emergency lights, where the heck are they? Where are the emergency lights? What the heck? I can't find them. I could use this flashlight. Where the heck are the emergency lights? Oh, wait a minute. This light's even better. Ugh. Where the heck did I put them? Just gotta think. Where will the emergency lights be stored at? That's the best you could do. Find 2 flashlights. It's not even enough for all of us. It's not even enough for all the grown-ups. Oh. Well, I'll keep looking. I'll see if I can find them. It's probably not gonna work, but I'll have my hopes high. Well, go find more flashlights as well. I think that would work as well. Flashlights are always a good thing. And well, just grab as many as you can. There are a ton in the kitchen. I can go grab them. 1. 2. This big one would be really useful. I got 2 more. Now that's more like it. Well, do you have any more you can find? There are plenty more flashlights. They're probably enough for... Oh. There's gotta be enough for everybody. See, Frank, there's this one right here, and there are even more in the kids' room. So I'm trying to think if it's... There are thousands of them in here. This one. This one. These are both convenient ones, because they're very small. That one down there is on a battery. I thought I saw some more. What the heck? I'll just bring these to Frank. I got some more flashlights. Okay. 2 more. Now that should be enough for all 5 grown-ups plus one of the kids. And I think it might be Mario, Luigi, or Yoshi since they're old enough to handle one. Mike is too. Well, I think everyone is. Okay. Oh, you're doing good work, Wario. Yeah. I'm satisfied with this, Mario. Keep looking. Find the emergency lights if you can. Because, this set is not good enough. You need to find some more. Okay. Or I could just make some more. It's better to just look for them. Maybe they're in Matt's. Which is weird, because he isn't even home. What the heck? But, yeah. I'm just going to be spending my time looking for emergency lights, which I might never find. Because, I don't know where the heck they are. But if you enjoyed this video anyways, this part, please leave a like, and, well, I'll be sure to see you back at the next part. So, that'll be all for now.